Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Agriculture Ideas. If you are new on my channel, please like, subscribe and share more to your friends. Do not forget to see my previous videos. For more updates of my videos, please click the bell icon below and the notes of this topic will be given in description box. So our today's topic is linseed or flax. Linseed. Its scientific name is Linum acetatissimum. In India, it can be cultivated largely for seed, meant for eliminating oil. The oil amount of the seed differs from 33 to 47%. Linseed lubricate is superb drying lubricant used for processing paints as well as varnishes, oilcloth, water-resistant fabric, and even linoleum. Also, like an edible lubricant in certain zones, linseed cake is certainly a fine manure as well as livestock feed. Linseed can be used for making papers and also plastics. Climate. The temperature range should varies from 21 to 26 degrees Celsius. Rainfall range varies from 45 to 75 centimeter. Sowing temperature should be 20 to 21 degrees Celsius and harvesting temperature should be 30 to 31 degrees Celsius. Soil. Does best on the deep clay black soils. Clay loam, it grows well in areas where there is high rainfall. Soil pH should be 5 to 7. Popular varieties. LC 2063 2007, LC 2023 1998. Other varieties are Surbhi, Jeevan, Pusa 3, LC 185, LC 54, Sheila K2. So land preparation. Area needs to be plowed 2 to 3 times along with the 2 to 3 harrowings to get an excellent tilth. To sustain moisture, it is best to generate soil mulch by using a hoe. Sowing. Time of sowing. The time of sowing varies from first fortnight of October to mid-November in different states. Rain-fed crops requires early sowing. Early sowing also helps the crop to escape from powdery mildew, rust diseases. Spacing. Use row to row spacing of 23 cm and plant to plant spacing of 7 to 10 cm. Sowing depth. The depth of sowing should be 4 to 5 cm. Methods of sowing. Linseed is usually sown by the broadcasting or drilling in rows. Seed rate. For sowing 1 acre of land, seed rate of 15 kg is required. Seed treatment. Seeds can be treated with any fungicides like Boviston, Therum, Carbendazim, Kaptan at the rate of 2 gram per kg of seed. Fertilizers. The fertilizer requirement kg per acre is 25 kg of nitrogen in the rate of 55 kg of urea as well as 16 kg of phosphorus in the rate of 100 kg of superphosphate per acre at the sowing. Under irrigated conditions, half dose of nitrogen with the full amount of phosphorus should be applied as a basal dose at the time of sowing. The remaining N or nitrogen is applied with the first irrigation 35 days after sowing. Next is weed control. Weeds are controlled by herbicides. The important weeds of linseed include Anagalli cervensis, Vicia hirsuta, Fumaria parviflora, Melilotus species, Chenopodium album, Phalaris minor, etc. Spray isopretron 75 wettable powder at the rate of 500 gram per acre in 200 liters of water either before or after first irrigation or pre-emergence within 2 days of sowing. Next is irrigation. Irrigation is necessary after sowing seed as well as when flowers are turning into seeds. The frequency of irrigation depends upon climatic condition and type of soil. Next is plant protection. There are various pests and diseases which can attack the plant and cause yield losses. The pests and their control are Lucerne caterpillar. It causes damage to the leaf as well as to the pods. Control. Spray 600 to 800 grams of Savin or Hexavin 50 vegetable powder carbaryl or 400 ml of malathion 50 EC in 80 to 100 liters of water per acre. Next is disease and their control. Rust. It's like a pink spot on leaf surface, pods or stem. Spray with sulfur at the rate of 7 kg per acre or Indofil Z78 at the rate of 500 gram in 150 liter of water. Next is wilt. Young crops are more prone to this disease. Crops firstly turn yellow and then die. Control. Cultivate varieties which are tolerant to disease or crop resistant varieties. Next is harvesting. Crop is ready for harvesting when the balls turn completely brown. They are harvested in April. Post harvesting. After harvesting, pack the plants and place it on the threshing area for 4 to 5 days for drying. Threshing is conducted by beating the crop with sticks or even trampling by the bullocks. Thank you.